Fagottini. Beautiful fagottini. Fagottini are a relatively new pasta shape, so there is no traditional way to fill them or sauce to serve them with. So go ahead and have fun preparing these. To make this pasta, you need to follow the video that is linked at the end. We begin by bringing two opposite corners and pinch at the top. Then you can bring in a third corner and pinch at the top. Then you also do the same with the fourth corner, pinch at the top, and then seal the areas that meet along the sides well with your fingers. It may be a good idea to go over the sides where you've sealed with your fingers just to make sure that these don't open up during cooking. I realize that might have been difficult to see clearly, so I'm going to show you again on a larger scale. I will be working on a much larger square. This one is 4 inches wide, which is about 10 centimeters, so that is easier for you to see. If the dough feels a little dry, you want to mist it with water. That will help the dough seal. Now we grab opposite sides or opposite corners. We stick them together and pinch at the top. Then we grab a third corner and we bring it to the top and pinch and seal. And now we can seal, press down those sides to seal. Okay. And then we're going to approach the fourth corner. Now this one was a little bit off, but no worries, we can still fix it. I'm going to open up the dough so that will stick better. I pinch the top, straighten this out as best as I can. This one came out a little wonky, and if you'd like to make sure that your fagottini always come out perfect, you always have to begin with a perfect square. So you use a professional cutter. Obviously, you're not going to do the freehand square like I did. Okay, this was just for demonstration purposes, but there are cutters that will guarantee the perfect width throughout. I will link some options at the bottom. For comparison purposes, I'm showing you the large fagottino compared to the small fagottino. The large fagottino is perfect when you're serving a very special filling, such as a potato and truffle, or a truffle and ricotta. You could also do it with porcini mushroom. Those are considered very nice fillings. You want to serve only a few of these. They're very large on the plate, so maybe 4, 5, whereas a small one, you can have up to 12 of them. Normally, I make medium size. Those are the 3-inch ones, 7 centimeters. Everything you saw earlier. Here are some suggestions for fillings. I suggest to screenshot these. Pause, and here are some sauces. Again, this is a creative pasta, so go have fun with it. Make your own fillings. Write me if you have any questions. Thanks again for watching. Arrivederci e grazie ancora per tutto. Ciao amici.